Hey boys and girls, today you're going to learn a new sound, how to say that sound, what letter it goes with, and how to write that sound. So first we're going to review the letters we've already learned, and then we're going to get right on into the letter that we're learning today. Here we go. Allie, alligator, ah, ah, ah. Bubba bear, b, b, b. Katina cat, Dee Dee deer, d, d, d. Ellie elephant, ah. Francie fish, Gordo gorilla, g, g, g. Honey horse, Annie inchworm, eh, eh, eh. Missy mouse, mmm. Nigel night owl, mmm. Olive octopus, ah. Petey penguin, Sammy snake, Timothy tiger, Vincent vampire bat, Zachary zebra, and our new sound is L, my L book. We're going to read all about little L and meet a zoo friend that he likes to hang out with. Here we go. Is this where we start the story? No way! Do we start here? No, that's the title page. Here we are. Little Elle had a box, and look at that, we've met our zoo friend already. This is Lizzie Lizard. Lizzie Lizard sits on a log all day, and she says, oh, she's a lazy lizard. Oh. He said, I will fill my box. He found leaves and lizards. In you go. Why did he decide to put the leaves and the lizards in the box? They both start with O. He looked behind logs. He found lambs. They were little lambs. Hi, lambs, he said. You must be lost lambs. In you go. There were so many words that started with O on this page. Log starts with O. Lamb start with O. Little starts with O. And lost starts with O. Whoa! Then little Elle came to a lake. The lizards leaped out of the box. Little Elle put them back. Stay here, lizards, he said. What did the lizards do that starts with O? They leaped. He looked in the lake. A lobster was in the lake. What did he find that starts with O? A lobster. Where was the lobster? In the lake. Wow, so many old words. He put the lobster into his box carefully. The lobster had pinchers. Can you show me your pinchers? Pinch, 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 pinch. Little Elle saw a lighthouse. What does lighthouse start with? Oh, the lantern was not lit, so he climbed up the ladder. Oh my gosh, so many old words. Lantern, lit, ladder. He lit the lantern. Just then, little L heard a loud roar. What does loud start with? It starts with "oh." A lion was at the door. It was a little lion. What starts with "ol" on this page? Yeah, lion starts with "ol." Lion. The lion licked him and sat on his lap. Lit. Lap. He gave the lion a lollipop. "I will put you in my box," he said. And he did. Again, why did he put the lion licking a lollipop into his box? Because lion, lick, and lollipop all start with "ol." Little L heard another loud roar. A leopard was at the door. The leopard licked him and sat on his lap. Little L gave the leopard a lollipop. Do you think he's going to keep the leopard? Why do you think he's going to keep the leopard? The leopard starts with "ol." He put the leopard into his box. Guess what happened? The lobster pinched the leopard. Then all the animals leaped out of the box. Little L put the lobster into a lobster pot so it could not pinch. Then he heard a loud roar. It was a locomotive. Choo-choo! Locomotive is another word for what? Train. "Let's go for a long ride," he said. And they did. Repeat after me all these words that start with "ol." Lobster, lobster part, logs, ladder, leaves, lizards, leopard licking lollipop. Your turn. Leopard licking lollipop. Lion, lambs, locomotive. Now we're going to say some more words with little L, but before we do that, I just want to show you my mouth while I make the "ol" sound. So you're going to put your tongue right under your teeth, right under your teeth like this. And then you're going to say "ol." Your mouth is open just a little bit. "Ol." Yeah, just like that. Now let's say some words that start with the "ol" sound together. Repeat after me. Lamp, lovebirds, lights, letter, ladybug, lime, lemon, lace. Let's look at some more. Lettuce, llama, lark, lady, lock, lily, lifeguard. Wow, so many words that start with that "ol" sound. And before we go, let's remember Lizzie Lizard. And she says, "ol." Repeat after me. Lizzie Lizard. "Ol." Awesome, boys and girls. Now you're going to get to go practice writing that letter.